Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Bayu Nugroho. Let me explain about the piston. The title: Get to know about piston. Piston. Piston are engine components that make up and the combustion chamber together with the cylinder block and cylinder head. Piston also make up and down movement to the engine work cycle. The function of the piston is to accept the pressure from the combustion of the gas mixture and continue the pressure to rotate the crankshaft through the connecting rod. Piston must have the following condition. Number 1. Light, so that it is easy for the engine to achieve high rotation. Then the piston must have a light weight, so that the acceleration of a motorcycle or a car is fast. Number 2. Resistant to explosion pressure due to combustion result. The result of combustion of gasoline and air will cause explosion and very strong pressure in the combustion chamber. Therefore, the piston must be strong in the resisting the explosion and the pressure of the combustion result to be forward to the crankshaft. Number 3. Resistant to expansion. The temperature in the combustion chamber will rise very high. Then the metal will change shape or expand. Therefore, the piston must withstand expansion. Construction of piston. Piston move up and down continuously in the cylinder to perform the step of suction, compression, combustion, and disposal. Therefore, the piston must be resistant to high pressure, high temperature, and high rotation. Pistons are made from aluminum alloys, cast iron, and ceramic. Parts of the piston include: Number 1. Piston head. Piston head is the piston that is connected directly to the engine combustion chamber. In this part, the piston receives the power of combustion and make change in the cylinder volume. Number 2. Piston ring. Piston ring have two types: compression ring and oil rings. The compression ring serves to compress the volume in the cylinder and remove oil in the cylinder wall. The oil ring serves to accommodate and carry oil and lubricate part in the cylinder chamber. Number 3. Piston pin. Piston pin is a part of a piston located inside the piston cavity. The shaft is cylindrical and has a hole in the center as the engine oil circulation space that lubricates the piston. The function of this piston pin is as a hook between the piston with the piston rod. Number 4. Snap ring. Snap ring is a thin ring similar to a ring located inside the groove of the piston pin cavity. The function of this snap ring is to lock the piston pin so that it does not move out, resulting in damage to the wall of the cylinder block. Number 5. Piston skirt. Piston skirt is a piston part which is located on the side wall of the piston. At the piston skirt is given a layer that serves to refine the impact between the piston with the cylinder wall. Number 6. Connecting rod. Connecting rod is a component that has two relate holes. The two holes respectively is as a place for the piston pin and crankshaft, serve as a link between the piston and the crankshaft. Type of piston include: Number 1. Split piston. In this piston split type piston to facilitate the time of expansion, then the grooves are made on the working side of the piston. This groove is in the form of a T or U. Number 2. Slipper piston. Slipper in a piston-type slipper piston, the body that rubs against the cylinder in the working side of the piston while the piston pinhole in the friction almost does not occur. To make the piston lighter and shorten the connecting rod, the non-rubbing piston parts are cut. Number 3. Autothermic piston. On autothermic type piston, these pistons are made from aluminum alloy material so that the expansion rate will be greater. Therefore, at the top of the piston the diameter is made smaller than the bottom of the piston when it is still cold. Number 4. Oval piston. Thick walls around the piston are not the same. With the heat, when the piston is working, it will cause expansion. To prevent expansion, an oval piston is made that is in the piston pinhole. The diameter is smaller than the working part. Damage to the piston include: Number 1. Piston ring is weak or broken. Ring that is already weak or broken cause compression that occur in the combustion chamber is not optimal. The gap in the fracture caused by weak piston ring cause engine oil to be transported to the combustion chamber and burn together with fuel and air. This results in a significant reduction in engine performance and wasteful fuel. Number 2. Cylinder scratch. Cylinder cause this compression generated when the piston in the combustion chamber to a maximum. Scratch cylinder can occur because of a broken piston ring. Number 3. Piston scratch. Piston scratch beside causing the cylinder to scratch and cause the resulting compression to be weak and the oil transport into the combustion chamber. Thank you for watching and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.